How many of you have experienced frustration when you're in a slump? I know I have. Well, let me show you something right here that's going to help you get back in stroke. Let's check it out. Hey pool players, hey Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you so much for watching, everyone. I know that you, just like me, have experienced this. One day you're in stroke, the next day you're not. And you're left scratching your head, and in frustration, you're saying, what the heck is going on? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to use one of these to get yourself back in stroke. So let's check it out.
Before we get into the actual drills, I want to show you this. This is a pocket reducer. It's just a rubber, set of rubbers that are on a spring, and they just fit into the pocket like this. Just push them right in place. There's some stops that they fit right into. They really work nice, and it really reduces the size of the pocket down from, like I show you here, 4 5/8 to a 3.5 inch opening. And we need to do that because what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just start with this nice, easy, straight in. And what I'm looking for here is to make sure I pocket the ball right in the center between the goalposts. Notice there it went off to my left. Watch again here, and you'll see. Went off to the left, and I was seeing that pretty regularly, and I had to make an adjustment. And you'll see towards the end here, I actually do pocket it right here on this 2-ball, right in the center. And that's the goal. And now I'm showing you how far off I was to begin with. And there's a couple shots here, 7-ball and the 1-ball. And then of course the 2-ball, but there were several after the 2-ball that I pocketed in the center. And I wanted to do that just so I could get in stroke, because what I'm doing next is very difficult. Now I'm coming in from a sharp angle, and that really reduces the size of this opening. Notice there I bumped the rubbers coming in. It's still very close, but ideally you want to be right in the center without touching the rubbers. So over and over, shooting this shot, and eventually, boom, you go right through the center. Very, very difficult from that sharp angle. And you can even see here how much space there is to the inside. Barely can get through there. And then from the center of the table, it's a little bit wider, but not much. And I shoot several shots like this. And like I say, this is way better than shooting into a 4 5/8 inch pocket. And then ultimately, after I shoot several like this, and I do it from both sides of the table, by the way. I move the reducer over to the other corner and do it from the other side as well. Like I do with all my drills. But see that 7-ball went right in the smack in the center of that pocket, and I wanted to show you that there in slow motion. And now I do a cut shot. This is real difficult as well. I don't put any spin-induced throw on this ball. I just hit center ball, a little top on the cue ball, and try to cut it in. That one I overcut just a little bit, but there again, a lot of these shots, that one's perfect right in the center, but a lot of these shots, if you just miss just slightly, it will not go into that opening. So real good drill to get yourself back in stroke. So I wanted to share this with you guys, and I hope this is of help to you. If you don't have any pocket reducers, you don't have to buy a whole set. You can buy one and just use it like I am right here. And like I say, also I go from the other side of the table and I show you a couple shots here. But yeah, it's all about being accurate. And when you're struggling, go ahead and just work on this, and I'll tell you what, it'll get you right back in the ballpark. So thanks for watching, everyone. Leave some comments if you'd like. I appreciate that. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel for sure. Trying to build a coalition of great pool players here that want to learn and share ideas. So till next time, like I always say, keep on practicing and keep it in the center of the pocket.